It's getting on my finger.
It's okay.
I just gotta lick it out.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, here. Don't get it on your shirt. Okay, get the spoon. Then you gotta spread that all over the bread. Don't get it off. Don't make it go on the pan. Keep it on the pan. Here, let me see this right here. Let's get this back. Okay, now you gotta just spread it all around. Here.
Okay. Don't do it too rough to the pizza.
Okay. You treat your pizza gently.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like pizza that much.
Don't talk like that. Hey, Dad, guess what?
What?
I got a pizza salon. It's called Neilina's Pizza Shop.
All right. Well, I'm gonna taste this pizza when you're done. So make sure you spread it even everywhere.
I did.
Okay.
Now put basil on there.
Now you gotta keep putting pizza all over the bread.
You mean the sauce?
And the sauce all over the bread.
Sauce is all over the bread
you
already.
good. Get it on this side. Push a little bit out here. Here, let me show you. Just do like this. See?
Can I do that?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
What are you sprinkling on there? What's that one?
Basil.
All over, not in one spot. Do the sides.
Up top. Just like that.
Can I do it?
Yep.
Not just right there. Move it
around.
up.
Over here, son. Nice.
Onto the
Over
right.
Here.
All right, that's enough.
Nice.
Now, cheese.
What about this one? You want that one on there?
Oregano, yes.
Do it the same
All
way.
right. This one is going to be stronger.
No, stop.
Over here, son. All right, good to go. That's it.
Now,
Now get your cheese out.
sprinkle some cheese on the pizza.
What kind of cheese are you using?
Some jack cheese. Cheesy.
No, read it. What does it say?
It says Colby Jack shred cheese.
Colby Jack.
Colby Jack cheese.
Mm-hmm.
So, hey.
It's a vegan cheese. It's 100%.
100% cheese all everywhere.
Yep, it's not animal cheese.
It's not for animals.
Plant-based.
It is for parents.
Here,
The oven is
let me
hot.
show you.
Really hot.
Take
I
it.
know.
Put it out.
This is the way I like.
Try to get close to the pizza. Yep,
That's the way
sprinkle
you like
all over.
Yeah,
Good
this is
job.
the way
We're a pretty good cheese spreader.
Because it's Neilina's
Are you looking at the pizza?
to make some pizza every day. I don't know.
Not about every day. But you got enough to make it for another week.
Then make your own pizza. Look,
What do you think?
it's really cute.
Now you gotta taste it. Blow.
How do you taste?
It's good.
Mmm. You made that yourself?
Yeah,
You're a pretty good pizza maker too.
thanks. It's Neilina's Pizza Shop.